Good morning, guys. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. Bhutan time. We just had our breakfast in a hotel. Leaving for Tatsung, the tiger nest. Tatsung, yes, Tatsung, the tiger nest. Probably the best monastery in Bhutan. Yeah.
You certainly need a lot of paraphernalia in your trade.
Yeah, cymbals, chimp, bongo, tambourine.
What are these things?
These are clays.
What are they for?
Sort of rhythms the Latin American stuff. Here, let me show you. See? Very simple.
Indeed. Very simple.
Just started our trek for the Tatsung monastery. It's a 2-hour climb. If we climb continuously, we've got limited resources. 4 bottles of water, definitely aloe fruit. That is what we are climbing. Exactly. It's high. Let's go. No horse beyond this point. Still doesn't matter for us. All of us are exhausted. It's only halfway up there. Still halfway to go.
You're pretty much exhausted.
Yes, everybody is exhausted. I am not. It's 9:17 a.m. Bhutan time. We are only halfway through. It will take probably 1 more hour. That's tiger nest over there. I don't know where my finger is pointing. We have to go up till there. Probably. Let's go. How are you feeling, guys? You pull you?
Bored.
Bored? Why? Isn't it exciting?
Drink the wine, bro.
That's sad.
वाइन लेके थोड़ी आया.
हाँ, लेके आए भाई, बैग में होगा.
You can have one sip if you want.
No, you can have the bottle, whole bottle, if you want.
Where are the other guys? I don't know. How much long we are going to last?
पीलेगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट चाहिए होगा.
Everybody, are we halfway up there?
What?
Are we halfway up there?
No, more than halfway.
More than halfway? Okay.
80% almost.
Hey, it's 10:17 a.m. Bhutan time. And probably it will take us around 10:45 to reach the top. But we can see the tiger's nest from here. Is this the tiger's nest?
Yes.
Wow.
बता डॉगी.
Look at that.
नल्ला सिविल इंजीनियर है.
Whoa, the tiger's nest.
Take और लेंगे.
We have to get all the way to the tiger's nest from here.
And the coolest guy.
And it's all stays from here, so there won't be any problem. And we have to climb down actually. Let's go.
अब तो हाथ तो निकाल वरना ले. हाथ भी.
Having a 5-minute break, popcorn break. Only 5 minutes climb from here to the tiger's nest. And the weather here is really good. It's relaxing. After a big climb up this mountain. It's 12:10 p.m. Bhutan time. We are just visited the tiger's nest. You are not allowed to take your camera inside, so you won't be able to know what's inside. You can probably read on the internet. There are actually 4 temples inside. And you actually get a guide to tell everything. There's a lot of history of inside. Go, you can do it. That's okay. So it's 12:10. Let's see how much time we take to get down the temple. Okay. Returning to the base. Wow, this area looks quite pretty. and awesome because of the white color down there. We are going to cafeteria. Let's have a small break. We have the cafeteria up here, almost 60% from the bottom, and everything is very expensive. Let's go ring that bell. It works. क्या है? क्या है? One more snack break. That's it, guys. It's 1:48 p.m. Bhutan time. Got down the Tiger Hill, Tiger's Nest. Finally completed the Tiger's Nest. Also, it said that it's the best monastery in Bhutan. It's really good. But actually, it's rebuilt in 1998. So you can't actually compare it with the other monasteries that are really old.
Built in 17th century, it's rebuilt in 19.
It's rebuilt. It's rebuilt in 1998. That's it. We are returned back to the museum from Tiger's Nest. Everybody's feeling sleepy. Now let's go. Let's go to the museum. Then we have to go for the lunch. Go to area park as much as possible. It's already 2 in the afternoon. Let's go, guys. There is the museum. There is nothing much to it. Spend 25 rupees to get into the museum. Now going for lunch in the same cafe as that of yesterday. What's the name of the cafe? Heritage. Heritage Cafe. Because some people haven't forgotten the taste of which pizza. And they want to eat some.
It's not possible.
Got down from the car. We have to look out for the cafe. We don't know exactly where it is. Probably we'll find it in the next alley. Alley. The cafe? Yeah, there you are. Let's eat. We are very hungry. We have found some IIT KGP alumni. MTech guys. 2016 pass out, right? 2016 pass out. KGP everywhere.
Yeah, KGP का tempo high. KGP का tempo high.
Yeah, मिलते. Okay, for those who don't know, that's the king. That's the queen.
Tied the ends of the guitar strings to the clavage used for Latin American rhythm. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped.
That's where it's for Coffee House Cafe. We're going back to hotel, settling room fees. However, there is some mishap in the hotel. We have to settle that first. Then go into Bhutan. So I think to all the people watching this, we would like to tell you, all the Bhutan traveler enthusiasts, don't book your hotel from India. No, but you have to book your hotel from India.
book your hotel from India yourself. Don't book through any agent.
Don't book it through any agent. Get all your documents, get it on a written paper that you have booked this hotel, that hotel. Because when you cross the border, you won't be able to change it again. And it will become a big ruckus. You can't handle the situation at that time. You'll be calling in India, you'll be getting the ISD charge. That will be a big problem for you. That is what you are facing right now, and I would like that to tell you people. Anything else?
Not right now.
That's it.
Chalo. Bye bye. We'll see you in Thimphu.
Bhutan Airlines. Woo. Airport in Paro. And it's so difficult to land here, man. It is covered by mountains on that side. Also on that side. You see the peak there? Getting. Go. Hurry up.
इधर बैठ
किसका बैग है मेरे पीछे?
यहाँ से बैठ सकता हूँ
नहीं
नहीं
हमको यहीं
Leaving for Timbu finally.
The wire over their heads and ooh, how terrible, very clever. As we jazz lovers say, this routine is murder.
वो लेना वीडियो में प्लीज ले प्लीज
शिवा
प्लीज प्लीज अभी होने वाला क्या एंडिंग नोट ले रहा है क्या
Yeah, it's raining here in Thimphu right now, and there is that video which I just showed you. It's really awesome. Actually, these people are sleeping. Anyways, we are going to wake up at 5 tomorrow, and there's no nearby location for any of the time lapses that I want to take around here. This window actually opens up to the kitchen, so can't help it. We'll have to go somewhere in the city to find a better position in the morning to get our time lapse, and let's see if that works. Okay, good night people. That's the day 3 of our trip in Bhutan.